Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixixin. And today we're going to make biscuits and gravy. Main ingredients: we need biscuits, you need gravy, and you need premium pork sausage. And what we do is we thaw this out first. We're going to brown it up. We're going to make our gravy, make the biscuits, and throw it together, and there we go. So let's get this cooking first. Alright, so once your sausage is all thawed out and everything, I'm going to turn this up and cut it up in little pieces here. No oil, no nothing. And then we'll end up draining all the grease off because we don't want that. Once this starts browning, we'll be good on that. And what we'll do is we have 2 cups of water in that pan over there, ready to go. So once this starts browning, the sausage starts browning, we will start working on our gravy. So now that we have this sizzling here, we're going to just keep chopping it up as it gets finer and finer. I don't want any of that to go to waste here. And we'll keep browning that. And while that is browning, we got our water over here. I'll put that on a medium boil. And then we're going to just add our peppered country gravy in there. A little at a time to stir it up real slow. And make sure you get all of that gravy mixed out of there. Mix it all up so it's all nice and not clumpy. Stir this up a little bit. Turn that down to a medium heat. I make sure all of this is all nice and chopped up real fine. And all cooked properly. Once it's all brown, we'll put it down to a low, real low heat. And just keep chopping it all up as much as you can. I'm going to keep whisking this up. Keep that on a medium heat. While all this stuff is doing a thing, keep stirring this up because you don't want the bottom to burn. Take your biscuits and you put them on a nice pan like this. Nice big old pan. And we'll put them in for 350 for about 13 minutes. Keep mixing this up, make sure it stays warm. But we're not cooking it anymore. That's all done. Over here, we'll whisk this up a little more. Like we always do, we clean up as we go. Just makes it easier. With the gravy, you got to stir it frequently, real frequently. That's the trick. Once it comes to a boil, we'll let it simmer for about a minute or so. So we'll just keep stirring it until it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll shut it down to a low to off and let it simmer for about a minute and then serve hot. My gravy's just about to start boiling here real soon. We'll keep stirring that frequently until it comes to a nice boil, and then we'll shut her down. It's definitely getting a lot thicker. And here we go, it's starting to bubble. And here's the fun part. And dump that right in here with everything. I'm going to mix this all up. Nice mixed up here. And we'll keep that on a low, real low. Shut this one off. And then we're not going to check our biscuits until we know they're done. Best way to do that is turn your light on. You don't want to open up the door and let all that heat out and everything, so we're just going to keep that on a nice low simmer just to keep it nice and warm. Keep stirring around, mixing it up while we wait for our biscuits. Alright, and here we are. Here's our nice golden brown biscuits. Beautifully cooked. and we'll dish it up. Take the biscuit, break it in half, maybe even to thirds. And throw it all over the plate like that. Take a nice, generous scoop of that. Layer it right over the top. Yummy. Let's go eat. Thank you everybody for watching Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixixin. And real simple, easy to make food. If I can cook it, anybody can cook it. Delicious. I should make this more often. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments below. If you want me to make anything special, just let me know, and I'll go and try to cook it. Thank you very much, and I'm Psycho Nixixin. I'm going to go get seconds, and I'm out.
Yeah.